Hi, I'm William Sancho.
Hi, I'm Carrie Kane, and I've been a victim of identity theft not once, but twice, and I support this technology.
You see, we've discovered a way of embedding or applying a block of secretly assembled atomic particles onto just about anything, and then by shooting it with a predetermined or secret light wave or energy source, we can read the results of that interaction and tell you whether the original block is there or not. In other words, authentic or fake. If you think back to your high school physics class, different molecules react in unique and predictable ways when acted upon by a variety of energy sources. Now this all sounds pretty expensive, right?
Well, the reason we are so positive that AtomID is going to be a game changer is because not only do we have a patent on the world's first unhackable atomic security system, but we have also discovered a way of getting that technology into the products, packaging, and identification methods used by the average consumer. And all of this is possible at the same cost as your typical supermarket barcode reader. Now that's pretty amazing. Later on, we're going to dig a little deeper into the science and patents behind our technology, but for now, let me give you an example of how our technology works and why it's so important that you get involved right away.
To start with, we use the same color and ink type being used on the product, packaging, or ID that we're trying to protect. Next, we lay down a three-dimensional atomic cluster that we call the atom block. The atom block is invisible to the eye, but more importantly, invisible to even the most sophisticated 3D scanners. Finally, when we want to confirm the item's authenticity, we apply our reader to the item, and just like checking out of the supermarket, voila, we can confirm if the atom block is there or not. Now here's why AtomID is 100% unhackable. You see, if even one atom or molecule is altered or removed in the process of attempting to copy or look inside the atom block, our reader is able to detect this and not authenticate the item. It's like attempting to copy or find a set of molecules inside a sealed bottle. But you can't see the bottle, and you have no idea which atoms you are looking for inside the bottle.
In fact, the bottle itself is part of the set of variables that need to be present, so that the mere act of attempting to get inside the bottle will automatically alter the composition of what the reader needs to measure for a passing result. And even if you can do the impossible and remove the blocks that surround the atom block, you would then need to split the atom block to see what's inside, which again alters the atomic structure, and now you really have a problem if you're a thief.
In the same way, if anyone attempts to break into the reader to copy the properties of the emission, it automatically destroys the code when the seal is broken, rendering it useless. This double protection is a landmark for the industry.
Next, you'll hear from the inventor, Agustin Perez.
Hello, my name is Agustin Perez, and I want to share something with you that will change our lives forever. We are going to see the heart of AtomID technology, the data blocks. Under a cover layer placed on top of a car or support, forming part of a second layer, lie the tiny structures we call data blocks. They are arrangement of pigmented particles, spatially placed according to previous designs. When forming particles are exposed to predetermined frequencies, they react selectively, coupling and emitting typical energy responses according to each emission waveform. When a mixed and multiform set of energy reach the data block, the forming particles adopt a multiform behavior, turning the block into an ondulatory system. Then, a fitted screen, namely a transceiver, captures the outgoing energy at different time intervals and space areas. Therefore, that information is transferred to a processor, where it should be compared to the package of signals produced by an original pattern. If each particle's behavior matches, then the entire data block will be accepted as genuine. However, if a single particle will be removed from the block or damaged in a cloning attempt, the entire block and the whole car will be rejected. This absolutely blank car has got the code written at the molecular level onto a layer inside. That code is 100% impossible to clone or breach. Its production cost is a fraction of current technologies like smart card or magnetic strip solutions, which are largely unsafe, as we all know. This technology is meant to avoid definitely ID theft and counterfeit risk over every document, product, and even telecommunications, including internet access and telephony. I just want to thank you in advance for all the support you may give to AtomID and express my hope and commitment of taking this technology as close to the people as possible. Thank you so much.